Earning money using a mobile phone is a popular way to generate income, and there are several methods depending on your skills, interests, and available time. Here are some ideas. 1. Freelancing. Platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, PeoplePerHour. Skills needed: writing, graphic design, programming, data entry, social media management, video editing, etc. How it works. You can offer services on these platforms, and clients will pay you for completing specific tasks. Many of these jobs can be done from your mobile device. 2. Taking online surveys. Platforms: Swagbucks, InboxDollars, Junkie, Vindale Research. How it works. Companies will pay you for sharing your opinions. You can earn cash or gift cards for completing surveys, watching videos, or doing small tasks. 3. Mobile photography. Platforms: Foap, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. How it works. You can sell high-quality mobile photos to stock photography websites. Each time someone purchases your photo, you earn money. 4. Online tutoring. Platforms: VIPKid, Chegg, Tutors, Cambly. How it works. If you are knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring services through mobile apps. Some platforms allow video or text-based tutoring sessions. 5. Content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. How it works. If you can create engaging videos or posts, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsored posts, or brand deals. Social media platforms also offer direct payments to content creators once you hit certain milestones. 6. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. Apps: Robinhood, Webull, Coinbase, Binance. How it works. You can buy and trade stocks or cryptocurrencies directly from your phone. While this can be profitable, it also carries risks, so it's important to research and understand the markets before investing. 7. Affiliate marketing. Platforms: Amazon Associates, ShareASale, ClickBank. How it works. You promote products or services through social media, a blog, or YouTube, and you earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. 8. Cashback and reward apps. Rakuten, Ibotta, Dosh. How it works. These apps offer cashback and rewards for making everyday purchases. You can shop through their links and earn a percentage of your spending back in cash. 9. App testing. Platforms: user testing, testbirds, beta testing. How it works. Companies pay you to test new apps, websites, and services to provide feedback on usability and functionality. 10. Drop shipping or selling on marketplaces. Apps: Shopify, eBay, Etsy, Facebook Marketplace. How it works. You can sell products directly through your phone by managing an online store or listing items for sale. Drop shipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory, as suppliers ship products directly to customers. Each method requires some effort, consistency, and in some cases, initial setup time. Depending on your interests and skills, one or more of these options could help you earn money with just your mobile phone.